guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I got a package I need to unbox, and I guess you can see who it's from, so let's open this up. If you want to see it, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. I want to show you this. This is what, now I have tons and tons and tons of makeup brushes in front of me, but I got tired of looking for specific brushes, and this is what I've been keeping my brushes in. Some of them have fallen out because there's just not enough room. This was my Mary Kay. Right here's my Mary Kay brushes. This was my Mary Kay brush holder, and over here it holds some face brushes, which you can see I have all my Sigma and my Refer brushes on this side. I have my Mary Kay, my Rose and Ben, and my Makeup Geek. So I needed a better fix than this, because when all of my brushes are clean, all of my eye brushes stay in this, and then they fall out. The kids will come back here and play, and then, you know, it's messed up. So I wanted to get something that would work for me. So I ordered something from Allie Glines. Allie Glines. I'm sorry, Allie Glines. And we're going to unbox it. I have been wanting one of these for several months, since I saw them from a friend of mine here on YouTube. Her name is Perky Perkins, and she does skincare with Perky Perkins, and she has bought several of these, and I was like, gosh, I need one of those. I need a whole set, but Allie was offering free shipping. So I decided to go ahead and get it, and this is what it comes in. It's a brush bag. She has the whole entire set, where you can take your makeup with you, the big carry cases, and then everything's in smaller cases. So I want to eventually get that. But it says, "Yay, we're so happy that you've received your bag. Thank you so much for supporting our business. We're so grateful. It has been an amazing experience creating a product just for you. We seriously can't wait to see how you use and organize your bag. We truly hope you love your experience with our brand. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. We're always here for you. XOXO, Allie and Tylen." That's her husband. And they were out of the color I wanted, but that's okay. I like this color too. This is the makeup brush bag. And guys, when I tell you these bags are nicely made, I kid you not. I mean, look what they came in. A silk bag. This is the brush bag. And it says Allie Glines. Right, Glines. I don't know why I say Glines. Allie Glines. Right there. And she made these specifically because she is also here on YouTube, and she does people's makeup, and she was having to travel with all kinds of product, and everything was everywhere. So she made these to put your brushes in. So this back one right here is for face brushes. This is for face brushes. This is for eye brushes, and this is for eye brushes. But I don't feel that I need to put my face brushes in them right now. I just need them for my eye brushes. So I'm going to put my clean brushes over here, and then I will show you what it looks like. So hang tight. Okay, now some of my brushes are dirty, so they're not all in here. But we went from this being so full I couldn't zip it, to now all my brushes are in one spot. I put my Sigma brushes behind my Rosen bin. My Rosen bin are here. My Sigma is behind here. And then my Makeup Geek and some Sigma here. Redford and Blend Bunny will go here. So as of right now, this is absolutely perfect for my brushes. I am so excited. And they have pink and they have gray. These are I think they were $25. But the thing is, the shipping is what got me. I was like, I can't pay that. But when she offered free shipping, I knew I had to get one. So I got one, and I am so glad that I did. It does kind of fit the mood back here, the purples and the grays over here. But I love pink. I'm wearing pink right now. But I urge you, if you are have nowhere for your specific brushes that you use all the time, and you guys know these are my have-to-have brushes, and you can take some of the brushes out if you're going on a trip and put face brushes in the back, eye brushes in the front. You can put a little, what do you call it? One of these down here. And she has small little bags like this that you can put things like this and blush, and you just have to go check out her website. I love everything. But it was definitely worth the money. I do want the entire set, and I do want it in gray. So, but I do have a makeup bag that will sit right here. So pretty. Looks so pretty on my desk that I can just open up and get what brushes I need instead of losing them all when I open this one. So I hope you like this video. I hope that you love this. It is so pretty. Look how aesthetically pleasing that is to the eye, to just have all your brushes looking so beautiful. These are my little babes in here. I love all of my brushes. And this way I get I mean, this is built really good. It's sturdy, but that is just so pleasing to the eye. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And have you ever heard of Allie Glines? If not, I will leave her link down below. And remember, it comes in a bag that you can put your bag in if you're going somewhere. So that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.